Welcome to a sustainability-focused world where innovation meets responsibility. Visionary smart construction and mining companies are transitioning from heavy, resource-intensive machinery to advanced eco-friendly technologies. These changes require bold innovation to balance the machinery's need for power and precision with the company's focus on profits and environmental stewardship. For manufacturers of excavators, bulldozers, and precision guidance equipment, the mission is clear. Deliver strong value, but use the planet's resources responsibly to ensure that the Earth continues to thrive. By adopting renewable energy, advanced sensor technology, and edge AI-driven automation, construction and mining companies reduce their environmental impact, boost productivity, and reduce costs. Microchip is a global leader in embedded electronics, enabling the creation of powerful, precise, and sustainable machinery for smart construction and mining applications. Our customers maximize equipment efficiency while minimizing the environmental footprint, reducing waste, enhancing safety, and streamlining workflows. Edge AI is critical to this transformation. On-site processing of real-time data from sensors and cameras enables autonomous operations for tasks like digging in an excavation project and navigation for vehicles transporting materials. Edge AI also helps to optimize resource use, reduce waste, and predict equipment failures to minimize expensive downtime. It can help upgrade site safety by continuously monitoring for hazards and triggering alerts or emergency actions when necessary. Edge AI can also improve fleet management by coordinating equipment for peak efficiency, reducing machine idle times and minimizing overall fuel consumption. We offer a variety of edge computing solutions for machinery manufacturers. Our extensive portfolio includes security, analog, memory, and connectivity products, empowering you to take your smart machinery designs from concept to production. Our technical support experts respond quickly, so your innovations can keep up with the accelerated pace of designing for this industry. As the need for smarter, more sustainable machinery grows, we continue to support future requirements for smart construction and mining applications. Designing for precision, enhancing safety, and reducing environmental impacts will contribute to a more efficient, sustainable planet for generations to come.